welcome back to Tech YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm gonna show you a simple and quick tutorial on how to put a watermark or logo on video, like you are seeing now on the upper left corner of this video. Before we begin, if you are new in our channel, what are you waiting now? Subscribe now! Click also the notification bell and choose all so you will be updated if we have new video. Don't forget to like and share also. And now let's proceed by showing you first a sample video without a watermark or logo. For the first step, we have to create a watermark or logo on a paint application. Click Resize, choose pixels, set to 1920 by 1080 and check the maintain aspect ratio, then click OK. In the Tools section, click on Fill with Color. Next, in the Color section, choose color green. Then click in this white area so that we will have a green screen. Again, in the Color section, choose white for our text color. Then go to the Tools section, click on Text, which is letter A. Click again in our green screen. Resize the text box. In the Font section, choose what font and size of letters you like. For me, this settings is okay. Then let's type Tech, as you can see already from the start of this video. Just press the spacebar button to move QA. Then drag the box to the upper left corner. And finally, we have to save it now. Click Files, Save as JPEG Picture. Put a name so it will be easy to find. Click Save and then close the Paint application. Let's open now the Shotcut. Click Open File. Let's find and choose watermark or logo we made. And click Open. Drag to Timeline section. In the Timeline section, we have to add another video track. Transfer this to the upper track. Again, click Open File. Find and choose a video you want to put the watermark or logo. Drag this to the lower track of the timeline. Stretch the watermark or logo until the end of video as far as you like. And now click Filters. Click Add Logo. Click Video. Click on Chroma Key Simple. Click the pencil logo. Click on the monitor so that the green color will disappear. And try to play it. And you can see the watermark or logo from the start to the end of the video. We have to save it now by clicking Export. Choose YouTube in the Preset section. In the Export Help, click Advanced to choose what video format you like. I'm gonna use MP4 format and 1920 by 1080 for resolution. And now, click Export. Then put some name. And click Save. Just ignore this, it's telling only that my computer has less space or storage. In the Job section, you can see how long it takes. Since the video is 8 seconds only, it will finish quickly. Let's close the Shotcut. I don't need to save it. Let's just check what it looks like. There it is, my fellow Tech. We created a video with a watermark or logo.
Thanks everyone for watching my video tutorial. If you're new here, just click the subscribe button below. Click the yellow bell button to notify you once we uploaded a new video. Feel free to likes, comments, and share as well this video if you think it helps you. Alright, this is Tech saying, good day everyone, keep safe, and God bless us. Let's meet again in our next video to be uploaded. See ya!